Appear in to check he's okay.
Oh, push. That's it. Good girl. Keep going. Keep going. Good girl.
She was always super interested in him.
I don't think he wants to play ball with you yet, Dora.
As soon as I put him down to sleep, she would just be sat there watching. She was very maternalistic towards him. Wherever he was laying, she would literally be laying right next to him. Any noise he made, any movement he made, she would literally be there. She would always mimic Teddy as a baby. If he's rolling around the floor, she'd be doing the same.
Are you holding her paw?
He's running around, she's running around. Even if he's laying on his baby mat asleep, she'd literally lay next to him as well.